Dear friends, in this video we will see how to edit an audio in Audacity. Right? That is how to cut the audio, right, or join the audio, right? All these aspects will be covered. Okay. So I have opened this. This is the Audacity dashboard. I have opened using file, then open, then wherever the file it is, I have opened it. Okay. So after opening this file, so let us see how to edit the audio. Okay. Just go to this tools. In tools you have different options. In this click I, selection tool, F1. Okay. Then keep your left click it, then just drag it. Okay. If you don't want this portion of the audio, just click, just delete, but use delete button to delete the audio. Then again coming back to the bottom, this part I want to remove it off. So just after selecting this selection button, click left click it, then drag it, then leave it. Then just click delete button. Then another thing is you can zoom in and then delete, then edit audio. How is this is the under tools they have zoom button. Click the zoom button. Then if you left click it, left click in your mouse, it will just go on zoom in. If you right click it, right, this will zoom out. Okay. So left click means zoom in, right click of the mouse means zoom out. Okay. Now I want to zoom in. So I'm just zooming in. Just move it. Okay. This part I want to remove. After zooming in, okay. If I want to remove this part from this part to this part, what I do is go for selection, click it here and then select this. Then click delete. That's all gone. Then if you want to delete this part, you can do it. Just go to selection tool, select it, then delete it. Okay. Similarly, you can do like this. So similarly, wherever you want, just delete it. Okay. There is too much gap. So just let us delete this. This also. Okay. Okay. So much gap. So let us delete it. Unnecessary gaps in the audio can be deleted if you feel so. So this is the procedure how to edit an audio in Audacity. Okay. So if you want to save this, see, let us zoom in and zoom out. Okay. So this is the zoom out. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now how to save this audio file is just go to save file, click export as MP3. So I will be saving in one of my folder. This is voice final. Okay. Now if you want, you can give all these values and click OK. Okay. It has exported. So if you want, you can go and check it. Okay. This is the voice. Okay. So this is a procedure how to edit an audio using Audacity. Okay. That is delete. Then you can also join. And one more aspect is you can also increase the loudness. See here, envelope tool. Okay. See here, if you click this envelope and just click it here, you can either increase this decibel or you can decrease this decibel. Okay. If you decrease this decibel and play, just check, let us check. Oh, this will decrease. Okay, you can adjust this. 1 minute. Let us undo it. Undo reset. Okay, so we have selected this, and after selecting it, you can just move it. If you okay, just wait. Okay, see here when you play this.
Cut off service exports critical to the Russian economy. Reports BBC. Kiev will be ready if Belarus's armed forces join Russia's war effort in Ukraine, a spokesperson for the Ukrainian State Border Service said. Beijing, good evening. News.
See, that means when you do like this, it will increase the decibel from after this reaching this point. So when you go on increasing, it will gradually increase. Then these portions will be of higher pitch, okay, or high loudness, okay. So that is the purpose of this tool, okay. If you want, you can select this in case of necessity. Now I am undoing it, okay. So thank you friends, this is the procedure how to edit an audio in Audacity. Thank you, bye.